Hello, welcome back to Nails of Interest. Today is a quick review of the Subay nail drill set, or E-file, whichever you prefer to call it. This is the model that I finally chose after a lot of research. This is a 30,000 RPM model. It has enough speed to do anything that I want to do with it. I chose the black. It is available in pink, but I chose the black. You have where you can store it on the right or on the left. It can store here. So left-handed or right-handed, they've got you covered. It also includes a rest for storing it on your workstation. Whichever way is more convenient for you, they've made it very convenient. The power button is located on the front of the unit, as well as your speed. This can be operated on the back. There is the hand or foot pedal option. I'm currently in the hand mode. If I had the foot pedal in, I would plug it in right here. Let me show you the loudness of it. It's not very loud at all compared to what I was using. You simply turn it on and dial your speed up when you're using the handheld option. It's not very loud. You would never go that high, but there's the speed that is there. I've not had any kickback with it. I've not had any problems. It does come with a very basic instruction manual showing you where things are located on the item. To change out your bits or to go to forward or reverse, is located right here. You simply twist this black portion. Forwards this way, reverses this way. To change your bit out, you go just past forward till it clicks just a little bit. You'll feel it. You pull out your nail bit, insert your next one, and click it back into place, and you're good to go. It comes with so many goodies. It includes this little box of goodies. I'll start with the basic set of nail bits. They're great for cleaning under your nails, scratching into the surface layer of gel polish, and it has your mandrel bit that's widely used by everybody. And it has so many mandrel sleeves. It goes from a super coarse, it's pretty coarse. That one's good. Comes from a pretty coarse one to a pretty fine 180. It has 120s. And then this is the really coarse. Remember, the lower the number, the higher it is coarse, the more coarse it is. So 180s are super fine. 120s are a little bit more gritty. Go up to 100s, they're even coarser. So higher the number, the lower, the smoother the file. Same goes for any files, hand files, nail files. It does have your foot pedal that plugs into the back of the unit, so you can operate the speed with your foot if you so desire. It comes with 3 very coarse bits. These are what you see people infilling with acrylics with and smoothly cutting them down. These are very, very coarse. Don't use these on your natural nails. Please do not use these on natural nails. They will eat your nail bed alive. It comes with a cute little nail cleaning or bit cleaning tool. It has the usual bristle brush that you would find on a nail file. I'm sorry, it comes with the usual bristle brush that you would find on your typical nail cleaning brush. And it comes with the metallic nail brush. I'm sorry. It comes with a metallic brush for cleaning those bits. You got to keep your bits clean to keep them working properly. I would also recommend purchasing a few cuticle cleaning bits. Decal USA is a very cheap but good supplier of bits. I love their cuticle clean. This is listed under one of their most popular bits. The cuticle clean is so tiny. I'm not even sure if you can see this. Look how tiny that is. It's really good for cleaning around your cuticles. I had that previously, so that's in my collection. I also always had the medium safety bit. Safety as not in safe for your nail beds. It's safety as in it won't just grab your cuticles up. But you got it's angled just nicely that you can go in and you can grind away any lifting that you've had. Prep it for infills. It's very nice. I like to have one in medium and one in coarse. Coarse you use first and the medium you would use second. Have any questions? Just ask me in the comments below. I also found that I love Erica's from the Nail Hub. This is the Shiver bits. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. These are the really cool little bits that a lot of the professionals use. They're a little bit more expensive than the ones from the previous website. But you can get right in there and just tickle the cuticles. You're cleaning off the nail bed and you're cleaning the cuticles up right at the same time. I love those. Again, this was just a quick review of the e-file that I chose for my personal use. The Subay. I love it. It has holes in the top where you can store your bits. It's good for lefties or righties. It has all the speeds that you could need. I've had no kickback. I had to replace a nail that had some lifting from an injury that I sustained, and it worked like a charm. So much easier than what I was using. We won't even discuss what I was using because that's not even the correct way to do things. I don't plan on showing any e-file demonstrations on my channel because I'm not a professional, but I do feel this is a very good starter kit for an e-file. It might be better than that even, I don't know, but it was reasonably priced. It included a lot of bits, included everything that I showed you except for these 4 right here. It included all the mandrel sleeves, all the mandrels, all the typical bits, and included the ones for some severe. Get this out. And it included the bits for some severe acrylic work, infill work. It included the brushes for cleansing your files. I mean, it has the typical clean it off, and then they have the steel wool. I guess it's steel. It has the steel brush for really getting in there and cleaning the files out. Thought that was a cute little addition. I didn't even know that was coming with it. Again, that was just this is just my opinions on this drill or e-file, whichever way your language you prefer to call it. It comes with so much stuff. I'm just so happy with it. I just want to share that with you. Thank you for watching Nails of Interest. Hope to see you here again. Look forward to seeing your comments. Tell me what e-file do you like to use. Thank you for watching and hope to see you here next time. Bye-bye.